So in this Visme tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create an Instagram story here on the Visme mobile application. So once you're into the Visme mobile app, go to the bottom right here and press on the blue circle with the plus icon. Then once you're here, simply go to where it's social media. So the top under project type where it says presentation social media, simply just go ahead and press on social media. Then if you want to create an Instagram story, make sure that you have the proper dimensions by sliding this top bar all the way to the right. These of course are a whole bunch of different templates for social media posts, but if you want an Instagram story, just slide this bar all the way to the right until it says Instagram stories right here, so 1080 by 1920. Go ahead and press on that. Now you don't necessarily have to select a template if you don't want to. You can always go ahead and select a blank template as well. But what this basically does is it actually gets you guys the proper dimensions for an Instagram story. So if you were to edit it or whatever, feel free. But if you just wanted to pick, this one for example, go ahead and press on this nature, template right here. It's gonna take a couple seconds to load. But once that is done, you guys can feel free to edit this however you may wish. And there you go. Pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can create an Instagram story post here on the Visme mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.